Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make these two powerful combination hair growth oil that will help you thicken your hair and also help you to stimulate hair growth. Before we go right into today's video, if you're new to my channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button and also give this video a like. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that each time I post a video you'll be notified as well. So my first ingredient, as you can see, is the rosemary leaf, and I'm using the dried leaf here. You can also use the fresh leaves. They both work the same way. Rosemary leaf has the ability to thicken your hair significantly and also stimulates blood flow to your scalp. It also has antibacterial properties that helps to, cleanse and rid the scalp of any scalp issues like itchiness, dryness, dandruff, and flakiness. My next ingredient is going to be moringa powder. So if you have been watching my videos, you know moringa is a staple for me. It's a source of iron, vitamin A, B, C, and E. It also has omega-3 fatty acid. Omega-3 fatty acid nourishes your hair and promotes blood circulation. So guys, these are two powerful combinations that you want to really give a try, to help your hair grow healthy. So I'm going to be using about a spoonful of each of these herbs, and then I pour in my olive oil. So bear in mind that this is just the oil of my choice. You can use any oil of your choice. You should know by now what oil works for you. You can use, there are several oils out there that you can use. There's coconut oil, there's grapeseed oil, avocado oil, and a whole lot more. But this is what I prefer to use because this is a lightweight oil. So here you can see how it looks. I'll cover this up and put in a hot water bath. So this is just a water that I've boiled, and putting this in just to help the herbs to kind of infuse properly into the oil, because we're going to be straining this out and making use of the oil. But before you strain this, you want to stir this up so that because the moringa might have settled to the bottom of the jar, so you want to stir this up so that you can strain everything out. So after straining this, you can add a few essential oils of your choice. What I'm going to be adding is peppermint oil. Like you guys know, I love peppermint oil because of its ability to help with blood circulation and also promote hair growth. You can use any other essential oil of your choice. There's lavender, there's also rosemary essential oil. So make your research and know which one you would like to use. I didn't measure what I added, but I know that it wouldn't be more than 10 drops of that essential oil. So you don't want to use more than 10 drops of essential oil. So I'm going to transfer this into my applicator bottle for easy application process, and then I will show you guys how I apply this to my hair. Make sure to have a form of moisture on your hair before applying your oil, because like I always say, oil is not a moisturizer, it's a sealant. So you want to use something like water or a leave-in cream that is water based to first of all moisturize your hair before you go in with your oil or your hair butter. So that is all guys for today's video. I just twist my hair back up, and thank you guys for watching. If you are new to my channel, you are here to subscribe, please don't leave this video without subscribing and also giving this video a huge thumbs up. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.